Welcome to our Fun Facts Fiesta, where curiosity meets entertainment. I'm delighted to have you join us on this exciting adventure of discovering fascinating and mind-boggling facts.
Hey yogurt fiends and spoon-wielding smoothie enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the creamy, tangy world of yogurt, uncovering surprising facts and myths that'll make you say, yogurtastic. 1. The ancient origins. Yogurt's history stretches back thousands of years. Evidence suggests early civilizations in Mesopotamia and Central Asia enjoyed fermented milk products as early as 5000 BC. Talk about a long-lasting love affair with creamy culture. 2. The gut-loving bacteria, those friendly little, live and active cultures, on the label. They're actually bacteria called probiotics, which support gut health and digestion. So, yogurt isn't just delicious, it's doing your insides a favor. 3. The global spoonfuls. Yogurt isn't just a Western thing. It's enjoyed in diverse forms around the world, from thick, strained Greek yogurt to drinkable kefir from Eastern Europe and tangy lassi from India. Each culture has its own unique yogurt tradition, offering a global flavor adventure. 4. The sweet and savory surprise. You thought yogurt was just for breakfast parfaits? Think again. Savory yogurt dips, sauces, and marinades are popular in many cultures, adding a creamy tang to grilled meats, roasted vegetables, and even salads. So, experiment and expand your yogurt horizons. 5. The spooning myth. Ever heard stirring yogurt destroys its good bacteria? It's a myth. While gentle stirring won't harm the probiotics, vigorous whisking can affect the texture. So, stir with care, but don't worry about unleashing a bacterial apocalypse in your cup. 6. The frozen fun. Frozen yogurt isn't just a delicious treat, it has historical roots. The Aztec Empire enjoyed a frozen yogurt-like dessert made with ice and fermented milk, a precursor to our modern frozen yogurt shops. So, next time you grab a cone, imagine yourself channeling your inner Aztec foodie. 7. The face mask marvel. Did you know yogurt can be used as a natural face mask? Its lactic acid gently exfoliates and hydrates, leaving skin feeling soft and smooth. So, skip the harsh chemicals and embrace the power of yogurt for a DIY beauty boost. 8. The lactose dilemma myth. Worried about lactose intolerance? Many yogurts are naturally low in lactose or contain added lactase, an enzyme that helps digest it. So, even if you're lactose intolerant, you might still be able to enjoy the benefits and deliciousness of yogurt. Consult your doctor for personalized advice. 9. The world's most expensive spoonful. Brace yourself, a small pot of yak milk yogurt from Bhutan can cost up to $100. This rare and luxurious yogurt is made from the milk of high-altitude yaks and is considered a delicacy in the region. So, if you're feeling fancy, this might be the ultimate yogurt splurge. 10. The beauty secret myth. Cleopatra supposedly bathed in milk to maintain her youthful appearance. While milk does contain lactic acid, which can be beneficial for skin, there's no evidence that bathing in it had any real anti-aging effects. So, stick to yogurt facials and leave the milk baths to the historical legends. Bonus fact. The world's largest yogurt parfait weighed over 13 tons and contained over 3,000 liters of yogurt. Talk about a spoon-bendingly massive serving. So there you have it, 10 fascinating facts and myths about yogurt that'll make you appreciate this versatile and delicious food even more. Remember, Imi Fun Facts is always here to serve up a healthy dose of knowledge, so keep subscribing for more cultured content.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future updates.